Alright, welcome to the channel. My name's Owen and I'm going to walk you through Thunderly Innovations' latest app, Warden. Let's begin with the setup. After clicking Set Up Warden Lock, you'll see this screen. Set the time to roughly the time you wake up. So I'll set it to 7 AM to 9 AM. This is where you enter the time taken to complete your morning routine. This is the time you want to focus after completing your morning routine, so I'll do just that. This is where we select our morning routine completion proof object. Simply, it's an object part of your morning routine. You'll have to allow this camera access permission. Make sure to follow these tips to scan the object properly, and then I'll be back with a selected photo. Alright, I got the object. Now, let's tick whatever I can see in the image I've clicked. So I had a chair, desk, a mobile phone, and a computer. I'll select that. This is where we select our emergency apps. Just allow this access permission. Click the button and find Warden in this list. Allow this permission. And now you can select your emergency apps. I'll add an app for a demo. This is another standard permission. Click the button. Find Warden and allow the permission. Repeat the same here. Here, allow Use Warden. Click Finish. There we go. That's the setup completed.
See you in the app walkthrough.
Up completed.
See you in the app walkthrough.
This is the home screen. You can track your phone usage here. You've got screen time, unlocks, notifications, top used apps, really useful stuff. If you're troubled by too many notifications, you can download NotiveX, another app by Thunderly Innovations. This is the settings screen. You can change whatever you entered in the setup. Click Help over here to see a quick overview of the navigation. This is Warden Wellness, a quick exercise you can perform to make your day better. You can view the data safety, Warden's website, and more. Now, this is what you'll see in the mornings. Your phone will be locked entirely to make sure you focus on your day. You can see your emergency. You can unlock your phone earlier by clicking Unlock Your Phone and scanning the objects. You can check out the Help section here. You'll also find the Warden doing his morning routine down here. Now, in case of an emergency, you can click this icon up here and wait 30 seconds. After that, if it genuinely is an emergency, you can confirm it here and your phone will be unlocked for 5 minutes. It's not an emergency for me right now, so I'll just click Cancel. Alright, that's it. Welcome to Warden, and we hope Warden brings a positive change in your morning routine. Thanks for watching.